What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another adventure with the Bearded Bobber. I'm bearded. She's the Bobber. Alright. Right now we're coasting our way downhill because we're low on fuel. Might be a continuation from another video. Might not. We're gonna drop down from Ukaipa into Mentone, if you guys know the area. And I'm gonna go stop over at Indian Redlands just to bullshit before I go to work. Possibly looking at getting a new part, we'll see. I gotta do some part videos for you guys, some gear review videos, which would work out great, especially if I was in riding season ending mode like everybody else, which I feel so sorry for you guys, but I am in SoCal and the weather is beautiful. I have my flannel on, my new Scorpion flannel here, and this thing is super comfortable and lined with Kevlar, so, you know, I don't have to have a big jacket right now because it's not that cold. As you, I mean, you can see, this weather is gorgeous. If I run out of fuel, I just hope I don't run out of battery on the GoPro because I want to catch it. Oh. Any motovloggers watching me do that? If so, tag me in the video. I want to see that. I haven't seen that yet. I've seen people drop their bikes, crashes, stuff like that. Who's run out of gas? Besides Brandon running out of gas, just trying to find a better pump. Almost running out of gas. I know. I watched the video. Let's go. Running on fumes. Oh, there we go. Much better. Visor is fogging up. Alright. But no, back to what I was saying. All you guys that, you know, get the snow and everything else, I don't miss that, man. I know I was watching somebody who was, Skunk 72 saying we have pathetic winters. He lives out here in, I think towards San Diego, if I remember right here. But I'll take it. See these mountains up here? One minute a little bit higher. They get snow. If I want to see snow, I can go see it. But other than that, keep that shit off my road. There's, I used to live in Iowa for 6th grade, 7th grade, and 8th grade. And then I also lived in Arizona for high school and some younger years, and then out here. Now, seeing snowbirds be in Iowa for the summer and Arizona for the winter, no fucking thank you. Nope. Sorry I moved the camera that much, it's probably sucked. But I don't get it. I would much rather be in like Arizona all year or out here all year. Uh-oh. Oh man, there's roadwork fucking going on everywhere today. But I didn't mind Iowa winters. I hated Iowa summers. But being a bike rider, I would hate most of it now. I was like, I know I watched another dude the other day, his riding seasons in Iowa are like spring and fall. And I was like, that makes sense. Because the humidity in Iowa sucks. I got this power line going on. That shit's crazy. Oh. You guys are going to get a long ass video of me just pushing the bike. And I'm like, new motovlog challenge. How far do you push your bike to the gas station? I'll tell you right now, most of that's downhill. And I will fucking ride this thing in neutral. Alright, back to what I was talking about now that we got past all the bullshit. Oh, now we got more bullshit. Here's the difference. We don't have to deal with the crazy winters. we have the crazy fucking drivers. It's such a pain in the ass. There's too many people. There's too many people everywhere. I do gotta say, I'm lucky enough not to live in Italy, apparently. Open Roader, man, everything he says in the live streams, I am so thankful not to have to deal with that shit. He used to live in California, and he's saying in comparison, California is wonderful for drivers. And if any of you guys watch my channel and are from Southern California, you're gonna be like, no way. I don't think so, brah. But that's what he says. And that's just some crazy shit, man. I know there's a lot of places like overseas that don't have very good drivers. That's why they have the dash cams and we get to see all the crazy shit they do. So, works out for us. Doesn't work out for them. Oh yeah. Open road. We're moving into a gas station. So, like I always say, I always love hearing from you guys. Go ahead and leave in the comments, you know, stuff for, you know, your riding seasons. Are you guys hanging them up? Putting the bike away? You get to keep riding longer? You can smell that road that just got resurfaced. What the? Will we make it to a gas station? People watching like, dude's been on empty since the last video. What is he doing? Just right. Uh-oh. Gas light went away. That's not good. Oh, I think we found a gas station. Oh, gas light's back on. It was off a second ago. Bobber's playing fucking tricks on me. Oh man, oh no. Oh no. Uh-oh. Ha, we made it. Alright, so we got gas. Finally. So like always, YouTube, stay safe, stay classy.